Alright, I wanted to make a video of this unit that I'm going to start working on. I've been working on the cabinet. It's still got a long way to go. But this is a Zenith model 65256 or 6S256. And I found this floor model a while ago. And I've been working on the cabinet. That's why the radio's in the box. Dropping shit all over the place. Here's the schematic, or kind of a schematic, I guess. Chassis 5644. I gotta see if I can try to make heads or tails of this thing. When I got it, it was all there. That's a new dial belt for it. All its pieces, parts in this bag here. Screws and what have you, washers, knobs. It's got two knobs missing. Had two knobs still there. Tubes are all here. Speakers here. Speaker looks to be in a pretty dang good shape. It moves nice and smooth. Let's see if we can get it out of the box here. Without destroying it. Anyway, there's the speaker. I don't know if I can get this radio out with one hand or not. It's extremely dirty. The cabinet, I've been sanding on it. It's looking pretty good. I had to do a lot of gluing on the veneer. Try to get the cabinet solid, and I did that for about a week. Got the cabinet solid and started sanding on it, and this line cord's done. It's toast. It's all cracked. Let me dare lift this by the shit here. There we go. There's the chassis. Let's turn it around. Give you all a shot of the faceplate as it sits. The glass is there. It's not broke. It's dirty as all hell though. It's missing this knob, and it's missing the tuning knob. This just spins freely. The belt's broke. When I took it out of the cabinet, the belt was laying there underneath the chassis. It is dirty as all get out. Let's turn it up and see what the underneath looks like. Here it is. yeah. Looks all original to me. I don't think anybody's been in here. All these caps are the same color, same make. Needs a fuse. So this is the very first video I'm going to make on this unit. This is what I'm going to be working on for a little while. Tuning gang on it's froze up. Get in here and try to move it a little bit or anything. I can't even budge it. I have to really do some work on that, huh? Alright, well, I can get the red needle to move around a bit. The other one is... oh, there we go. I got it to move. That's pretty cool. It's definitely going to have to be lubricated and cleaned, and then lubricated again. There's a can there. I didn't see that before. What's this can say? You know, sometimes I really wish I wasn't blind. I used to have the best eyesight when I was deer hunting and stuff like that. Now I can't see a goddamn thing. Back in my younger days. 15 at 450. Sorry about the filming of this. It's probably really crappy. Interesting. Got a little tube. Alright, well, I'm probably going to wrap this up. You know, besides the fact of it being dirty as all hell, it don't look too bad. I think I can repair this and make it go again. Alright, well, if you watched, thanks for watching. Bye.